Ganun po ba?
Mr. Chair, do I have to answer this irrelevant question?
If you wish to answer, you may do so.
I refuse to answer anymore, Mr. Chair.
Bakit nyo nire-refuse? Wala namang... It's up to us to determine what is relevant or not.
Because, Mr. Chair, this is not part of the inquiry.
Well, I will tell you kung paano magiging ano yan. I will drive at that point later. Meron ka bang bangko sa Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, RCBC?
Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer.
Sa Bank of the Philippine Islands, Davao, main branch.
Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer.
Bakit? Mr. Chair, can I know kung the Vice Mayor is invoking the right against